Ever wonder how to save money while traveling? We've got the answers. Traveling doesn't always have to break the bank. In fact, there are some fantastic strategies to travel on a budget while not compromising on the experience. Stay tuned to learn some amazing money-saving travel tips. Our first tip? Consider house-sitting or home exchanges. Now, this might sound a bit unconventional, but it's a fantastic way to save money. You can find these opportunities on various online platforms. The beauty of house-sitting or home exchanges is that you get to live like a local, in a fully furnished home, often with pets to keep you company. It's like having a home away from home. Not only do you save on accommodation, but you also get a unique travel experience. Next up, let's talk about meals. Cooking for yourself can be a big money saver. Imagine swapping out pricey restaurant bills for fresh produce from local markets. It's an adventure in itself, exploring the vibrant stalls, bargaining for the best prices, and discovering new ingredients. Plus, trying out new recipes can be a delightful experience. It's like a culinary journey, where you get to taste the real essence of the place. You'll not only save money but also immerse yourself in the local culture. Finally, consider traveling off-peak. This means choosing to journey when it's not the high season for tourists. You'll find that flights and accommodations can be significantly cheaper during these times. Plus, you can save on expenses by taking advantage of deals and discounts that aren't available during peak periods. And here's the cherry on top. You'll get to experience your destination without the usual hustle and bustle. Traveling off-peak can save you a lot, and you'll get to enjoy your destination without the crowds. So those are our top tips for saving money while traveling. Don't forget, house-sitting, cooking meals, and traveling off-peak can be game changers. With these tips in your back pocket, you're ready to make your next adventure both memorable and budget-friendly. Safe travels.